Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up direct debits in Wise. So simply in order to do this, just as you can see, we have opened our main Wise account and this is the main dashboard of our account. So on the left side you can see this box icon manage. So simply click here. After that, just here scroll down and in the payment option you have the direct debit option. So simply just click on this arrow button and after that here you can see the blue button set up a direct debit. So simply just click here. After that, which currency detail would you like to set up direct debit with? Like I am selecting US dollar. So here, to complete this process you need to deposit money and verify your identity. So currently I don't have money in my Wise, so simply when you have money you can easily set up direct debit in Wise. So just you have to add money and verify your identity. After that, after depositing the money, so in this section you can easily create or set up a direct debit in Wise.